Hi there, and welcome back to Hump Day Ideas. Wednesday, a day that can be rough to get through without motivating those cleaners to keep coming back until the weekend. Today's Hump Day Idea is an idea I hope will keep them motivated every day between now and Easter. And that is our theme that's coming up right now, and that is using an Easter egg tree. It's very simple. Well, maybe a little simpler for those of us who live on a ranch in Austin rather than an apartment complex in Hoboken, New Jersey. But find yourself a dead branch. If you can't find one, ask your city employees to help you find one. I know there's a dead branch somewhere in Hoboken, New Jersey, Paul. Paint that branch the colors of your company. Go to the dollar store, buy yourself a bunch of eggs. They come in medium and large sizes. They're pre-punched with holes on either side. You can use dental floss or fishing line or whatever you want to hang them from your tree. They come apart so you can put prizes in them. Anything from one jelly bean to a $100 bill, depending upon what you want to do. Then make a list of what you need to fix, what you want attention to be paid to in your office. And every time they pay attention to that, allow them to pick something from the tree. If they don't come to work on time and every day, then anybody who comes to work on time every day for 5 days, the following Monday or Wednesday, if you want to have them do it on Hump Day, gets to pick an egg from the tree and gets what's ever inside of that egg. You can give as much or as little as you want. The point is everyone gets to win if they just look at the list and achieve the things that are on the list, which is part of their job anyway, and everybody gets something in that egg, even if it's a jelly bean. Have fun with this idea. It's simple, it's easy, it sets a tradition. I did it every year since the first year of business. We had an egg tree every year for 20 years. When we had 60 employees, believe me, that tree was large. So have fun with it, but make it a tradition, because that's what makes you a company with a culture and attracts employees to your business. So when you've been in business for 7 years, you don't have to look for employees, they come to you. So I hope I see you on Monday when I'm covering that very subject, which is principles of leadership and the 8 things that will draw people to your company so you don't have to go chasing employees, but they will come to you. Until then, put a smile on your cleaner's face, whatever it takes. Try a waterproof lined apron with a special waterproof lined pocket for their most prized possession, their cell phone. See if that doesn't put a smile on their face. Visit www.successmadeeasy.com, put in aprons in the search key, and take a look at what I'm talking about. Until Monday, when I hope I join you for Principles of Leadership, or next Wednesday when we cover another Hump Day idea, I hope you have a great week and a better weekend. See you next time. Thanks for joining me.